is the second part of the lesson linear equation, and here we are studying about the number line, and then after that how can we represent a solution set of a linear equation on a number line. That is, you have already studied in the previous classes about number line. How can we draw a number line, and this is a number line. The center is 0, and to the right this is 1 positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And then to the left side it is negative numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, etc. And this is, here it is the including 0, the natural numbers and the integers. And the integer is the negative numbers, positive numbers, and 0 including the integers. Integers are represented on a number line. And what is it? And thus the solution of every inequation, the solution of every inequation can be represented in this number line. The solution of every inequation can be represented in this number line. So how can we represent that? We let's see with from doing some problems. Here, how can we represent a solution set on a number line? That is, if it, for example, if it is x less than 4, x element of n natural numbers, the solution set is equal to 1, 2, 3. We know that about the solution set. How can we represent it? That is, x less than 4, the solution set is equal to 1, 2, 3. That is, we can take it as 1, bubbling 1, and then 2, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. In the case of whole numbers also, we can take it as, that is equal to, again it is bubbling each and every number, that is equal to 1, 2, 3. That is for whole numbers also. That is, we can take in between, that is, we don't need the space in between here. So we'll take each and every number, that is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, x element of whole numbers, it is equal to 1, 2, 3. And if it is x element of integers, in case of integers also, we can take each and every number, that is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is in the case of natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, we can take each and every digit, that is bubbling each digit in this number line. And let's see how can we represent in a real number. Okay, there is some examples based on real numbers, that is x element of real numbers. And first question is x less than or equal to 3. X less than or equal to 3, x element of real numbers, that is equal to, this is the number line, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That is positive numbers, and in the left side it is negative numbers. That is equal to x less than or equal to 3. X less than or equal to 3. That means, that is less than or equal to means bubbling 3. Less than or equal to including 3. That is why we are bubbling this 3. That is less than or equal to. And then the left side it is, that is less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3 is an x element of real numbers. Real numbers means that is including integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and then rationals, decimals, that is fractions, are all in real number system. That's why we are bubbling, that is thickening this line, that is darkening this line from including 3, that is 3 and darkening 3, and then 3x less than or equal to 3, x less than or equal to 3. And then next is x less than 3. X less than 3 is equal to, this here it is not less than or equal to, it's only less than. That means less than means not darkening the bubble, only circle the bubble. That means that is not included the 3, that is up to 3, that is less than 3, not including 3, that is up to 3, that is equal to, then after that it is bubbling the darkening the line, and this is the, okay, this is less than. Less than means not darkening the bubble, only round it. circle it. And then here is a question, that is, this is the solution, that is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2. That is, x is in between minus 2 less than or equal to and x less than 2, and that is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2 less than or equal to, that means darkening this x element of real numbers, that is equal to, first one it is x is less than or equal to minus 2, x is less than or equal to minus 2, that means darkening less than or equal to, that means including minus 2, and then darkening it, and after that it is ending at greater than 2. This is greater than 2 means not darkening the bubble, that is only, that is up to 2, that is not 2 itself, and up to 2, that is less than 2, that's why we are not bubbling. This is the, that is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2, that means it is, here it is minus 2 less than or equal to, including minus 2, here is only, that is less than 2, that means why we not without darkening the bubble, it's only circling the bubble. Okay, solve and graph the solution set on a number line. That is, question number 1 is equal to x minus 5 less than minus 2, x element of n, x element of natural numbers, x minus 5 less than minus 2, x element of n. That is, how can we solve this? That is, for x less than minus 2, and taking this minus 5 to the right side, it is plus 5. Taking the constant to the right side, that is minus 2 plus 5, that is x less than 3, x less than 3, minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 3, and the x element of n, and solution set is equal to, that is x less than 3 is equal to natural numbers, that is 1 and 2. How can we represent in a number line? That is, this is a number line, drawing a number line, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, you should write, that is, if we need 1 and 2, you should write an extra numbers on the right side and left side itself. That is, if we need 1 and 2, you should write 3 and 4 also. That is, you should write 3 and 4 also on the number line. Don't write here. That is, this is, don't stop here. That is 0, 1, 2. You should write an extra number. That is 3 or 3 and 4 on the right side. That is equal to, and then it is minus 1, minus 2, etc. That is, okay. Then x less than 3, x element of n, that is, we need 1 and 2. That is, this is natural numbers, we need the numbers only 1 and 2. So you should bubble 1 and 2. Okay, this is the first question. Okay, next question, 2x by 5 plus 1 less than minus 3, x element of r. 2x plus 1 less than minus 3, that is 2x by 5 plus 1 less than minus 3. That is, here it is, that is taking the LCM, that is, denominator is 5, and then here it is equal to 2x plus 5. 2x taking the LCM, we get the numerator 2x plus 5 by 5 less than minus 3, and then 2x plus 5 multiplying this to the right side, that is less than 5 into minus 3. That is 2x plus 5 less than 15, and then 2x less than minus 15 minus 5, that is equal to 2x less than minus 20, x less than minus 20 by 2 is equal to minus 10. X less than minus 10, that is the value, and the solution set is less than minus 10, that is minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, etc. And we can draw the number line as, that is equal to 0, minus, okay, that is starting from minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, etc. Okay, this is, that is, we need x less than minus 20 by 2, x element of real numbers, that is, it's only less than minus 10, x less than minus 10, that is starting from 10, that is, x is less than 10, not less than or equal to. If it is less than or equal to, bubble this step. If it is less than, just circle it, and after that darkening the line. This is less than, x less than minus 10. This is the number line of the solution, that is x less than minus 10. Okay. Okay, this is all about the linear equation. Thank you for watching this. Okay, see you in the next class with a new lesson. Thank you.